This has always been one of my favorites. This is the classic Tilt-a-Whirl at the Hillsborough County Fair or just outside of Tampa, Florida. So we are going to ride this and do a point of view. This one seems to be nice and loose, so hopefully it'll be a good ride. They gave a good long ride that time, so I probably won't be able to walk after this. Okay, so we are in. Okay, and we are off. Oh, I love this ride. Oh, it is a good one. Oh, wow. Other way, other way, other way. This is one of the best Tilt-a-Whirls I've ever ridden. So some of the tamest looking rides actually provide the most G's. Oh God! Oh my God! At least we're getting our money's worth on this one. Oh, wow. Oh, well. Okay, it's coming to an end. If you like ride videos, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure you check out the new Chance Rides zipper. Like, share, and subscribe, and make it a great day. Thank you for watching.